Hi everyone. Today we are going to understand junction objects in Salesforce with a real-time example and live implementation. First, understand what is junction object. A junction object is used when we need to create a many-to-many relationship between two objects. Hierarchical relationship, it is a special lookup relationship that is used only for the user object, and it helps us to create manager employee hierarchies like org charts. And in a self relationship, an object is related to itself. For example, one account related to another account, or an employee linked to their manager. And this external lookup relationship is used to link Salesforce record with external systems that are outside Salesforce. Now we will implement junction object inside the org. So let's take a simple example. Like we have a two objects, student and course. One student can enroll in multiple courses and one course can have multiple students. So since this is a many-to-many relationship, we need a junction object. So we will create a junction object called enrollment, which will have two master detail relationships. So first open the org, click on the object manager. Now I am creating my first parent object called student. Click on this create button, select custom object, give the label name student, scroll down, data type text, enable checkboxes, add notes and attachment related list, launch new custom. Click on this save button, just select the tab style, choose any color, scroll down and just click on next, next and just save this. Now I will create my second parent object called course. Again click on this object manager, click on this create custom object, give the label name course. Again enable checkboxes and click on save. Select any tab style and choose any color and just click on next, next and just save this. Now comes the main part, creating the junction object. Again click on the object manager, click on create custom object, give the label name enrollments and follow the same process that I have followed before. Enable checkboxes, save, choose tab style, select any color and just click on next, next and just save this. Now I am creating my first master detail relationship with student. Just click on this field and relationship, click on new and select the data type master detail relationship. Click on next and related to the student object, click on next, 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 next and just save this. This makes student the parent and enrollment the child. Now I am creating the second master detail relationship with course. Just click on new, follow the same process and select the data type master detail relationship. Click on next, related to the course object. So course is the parent and enrollment is the child. Just click on next button, scroll down, next, scroll down, next, next and just save this. Now enrollment is connected to both student and course, which completes the junction object. Now let's understand how master detail relationship works in real time. When I delete a student record, all the enrollment records related to that student are automatically deleted. In the same way, when I delete a course record, all the enrollment records related to that course are also deleted automatically. Now let me show this practically. Before this, just change this enrollment name data type text to auto number. So we don't need to write enrollment number manually, it automatically populate. Enter the display format and starting number and just save this. Now just open the sales app. Just create student record. Click on new. Give the student name Renuka Mewada. Just clone this record. Change the name Priyanka Mewada and just save this. So I have created two student records. Now create course. Just click on this. Give the course name Salesforce Developer. Save this. Follow the same process. Clone this course record and change the course name. Give the name Java Full Stack Developer. Just save this. Click on course. Here I have created 2 courses. Now I will create enrollments records. Just click on this new. Select the student Renuka Mewada. Select the course Salesforce Developer and just save this. Clone this record and change the student name Priyanka Mewada. Change the course name Java Full Stack Developer and just save this. Click on this enrollment. Click on drop down and select all. Here you can see that there are 2 enrollment records. Now open the student and open Priyanka Mewada record and click on related. Here you can see that the enrollment number is EN002. If I will delete this record, so it will delete automatically. Just delete this. Click on delete. Open the enrollment. Here you can see that only one record is visible. Same as it is. Just open the course. Open Sales Developer course and click on related. Here you can see that one enrollment is available, EN001. Now I will delete this course, so it will automatically delete that particular enrollment record. Just click on this delete, and just open the enrollment and click on drop down and select all. Here you can see that there is no enrollment records. So this is how master detail relationship works in Salesforce. And we can also create a junction object using lookup relationship based on the business requirement. You can decide whether the junction object should use lookup or master detail relationships. Right now I am using master detail relationship because in this scenario enrollment does not make any sense if the student record is not present. So in this video we have learned how we can create a junction object and how it is working in real time. Thank you so much.